Look how cool that looks! Oh my god, look. My freaking is flooding. How does the roof support this much water? I thought it would collapse at that point. That's so cool. Let's check out my back. That's pretty cool. It's kind of cool. It's pooping rain. I should tell the video pooping rain. This is how pouring rain. You can't even see the rain on the camera. That's how much it's raining. You hear that, right? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. What? No. What? Never flooded. It actually has. It really like never flooded this quickly in my yard. I'm surprised I haven't gotten a flash flood warning yet. It never flooded this quick in my yard. It's flooding so fast. Oh my god! It's flooded like it's flooded more than this, but not this fast. It's probably the most it's flooded in like 5 minutes. What the heck? It's only been going on for like 5 minutes. Make it 10. Okay, so this is my clothes I got wet because I just wanted to get them wet. I threw them in my bathtub on purpose. I don't know why. It was really stupid of me. I thought it would be a good drying place for them. But no. It's raining. I'm an idiot. I was too lazy to dry them, so I just put them out here to dry. Ooh.